Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf: wa amtarna alayhim matara fanzur kayfa kana aqibatul mujrimin. Translation: and we showered the rain of stones upon them. So see how was the end of the sinful criminals. In these ayahs we have been studying about the nation of Lut alayhi salam, and the nation of Lut alayhi salam was involved in a disgusting, unnatural act, and Lut alayhi salam invited them towards the purity, towards the truth, and towards Islam, but they rejected the invitation. The wife of Lut alayhi salam was also among the criminals, and she did not listen to the invitation of Lut alayhi salam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave severe punishment to all those who rejected Lut alayhi salam. We will study in Quran that Lut alayhi salam's nation was given very severe punishment, and the city of Lut alayhi salam was placed upside down, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent them the rain of stones, and they were all killed by that punishment. The nation of Lut alayhi salam was doing the sins, and they were not thinking about the results of that sin and about the punishment. And that's what happens, that once a man is involved in his pleasures, he forgets about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if a person is thoughtful and thinks about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will not be doing those sins also. We must try to learn from the experiences of other people and must not repeat the mistakes of other people. Unfortunately, in the era we live, we see that Shaitan has made these sins beautiful and more palatable for the society. And to the extreme is that these people who are committing the same sin in our times celebrate the Pride Month, meaning that they are proud of their sinful life. May Allah save us from all these tricks of Shaitan and connect us to the truthful people. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.